Today, we're on the hunt for the tiniest, spookiest, and most beautiful dollhouse miniatures for Halloween and fall at Michael's Craft Stores. And welcome back to my channel, Notorious Crafts, where I cover all things dollhouse and miniatures. This is the first time that I've seen Michael's Craft Stores have some spooky Halloween-themed dollhouse miniatures. At least the one by me. Let me know down below in the comments if these Halloween miniatures are also new at your Michael's. First up, there are some tiny potion bottles that are very cute, have a lot of detail on them. Also, everything that you see here is 40% off. So these potion bottles priced at $4.99 are really $2.99. They have this set of 3 miniature masks, each one in different colors. This would be so cute for miniature masquerade. They have a set of mini ghosts as well as a dog in a ghost costume. And there's a miniature gnome and these really cute pumpkins in different colors. Most of these miniatures look like they are made from ceramic and then painted, but they did a really good job with the painting on these. They have this set of 2 dragons, and there's also a lamp post, and it looks like there's some signage on there. Let's see what it says. The top one says Masquerade, then it says Mysterious Manor. And then the bottom one says Haunted Chateau. And then next to it is a witch and she's holding an orb. Some of these other items are too big for miniatures, but there are some cool looking Halloween decorations. All right, here are some more miniatures. They have empty glass bottles in some funky shapes, and oh my goodness, I love these. They are mini donuts with Halloween decorations. They also have these creepy white birds with red eyes. Not sure why these are in the section with miniatures since they are very big, but they are here if you're interested in that. There's a heart in a glass case. This is more on the spooky side, not really my style, but they have a lot more of these spooky kind of miniatures. How cool is this witch's cauldron? They have frogs as the base of the cauldron. Oh, and it looks like there are some bones brewing on the inside. They have a toad just chilling in a witch's hat. That is really cute. There's a skeleton taking a bath. I actually really like this one. The bathtub is a gold color and the rim is made out of bones. Just notice that the skeleton inside is holding a black rose. That's a really nice detail. They have a lot of decorative butterflies with very beautiful wings. Their wings have some really nice, unique designs on them. Here is an adorable little cat in a witch's hat sitting over a spell book. This cat reminds me of Salem. On the top shelf, I found another dragon. This one is holding a crystal. There's a set of 3 witches brewing something inside of a cauldron. I'm happy that Michael's also has their pricing guide so that you don't have to do mental math or pull out your phone to try to calculate how much sale you're getting. It's a really cool mini chair with the witch's hat. It doesn't look like the hat is removable. It looks like it's all one piece. There's a black fountain. This is a really cool piece to add outside of your dollhouse to create a spooky atmosphere outside of it. This top row has some really amazing pieces. I love that bookshelf with an owl on top of it. There's a skull with a raven sitting on top of it. Ooh, this one is neat. This one is a spell book on top of a book stand. There's this skeleton with butterfly wings. A large pile of skulls with a raven and bat on top of it. Here's a fence. This would be really cool to add outside of a spooky garden. In the top row, they have a pack of glow-in-the-dark stars and moons. This would be really cool to decorate. And they also have some books on the right side. Those look like they actually open. On the left side is a fortune teller set. Some really neat pieces in there. Oh, look at these Halloween-themed fairies. This is definitely more my style. I absolutely adore these. I see some really cool-looking furniture, some chairs, a sofa. I see another witch with a cauldron. And then we have a stack of pumpkins with a little witch's hat. These are really cute. And here's a dog dressed as a mummy holding a jack-o'-lantern. There's an entire fortune teller's table with the crystal ball, the candle, and the cards. I actually made something similar from scratch. I'll link that video down below if you're interested in making your own. This table setup is still really nice. The one thing that I don't like is that the entire table and tablecloth is one piece. It's made from resin instead of a real fabric. But I do like all the details at the top. And then next to it, there's a black candelabra with glittery purple candles. That's a really nice detail. And next to it is a skeleton violinist. You can really spruce up your dollhouse with some of these really neat figures. And then there's two different kinds of witches' hats. Ooh, this is a neat fireplace. I'm loving all of the details on the top of it. It looks like there's some books, a skull, and then I like how it also looks like it's lit up with a fire inside. A sign that says, "Beware, turn back," with a crow on top of it. And then there's a really neat looking chandelier. They have a black rose in a glass case. That reminds me a bit of the rose from Beauty and the Beast. But this one is, of course, a spooky version. And then we have a veiled lady bust. Oh, and some adorable little skeleton cookies. I like that there's a brown one and a pink one. It's a cute little couple. Here are some glass jars. Maybe these are supposed to be potion bottles. They have different colors of glitter in each of the bottles. Here's a skeleton in a coffin. There's also a dress. I wonder if this is supposed to be just a floating dress for a ghost. Here's another coffin with some flowers on top of it, some gravestones, a coffin bookshelf, and a haunted server. I really love all of these miniatures that Michaels has this year. They really went all out for Halloween. There are a lot of these jars with some resin miniatures. This one has all different kinds of gravestones. I actually think all the gravestones are the same. They just have a skull on them. They're priced at $7.99, but with the sale, they end up being $4.80. All right, let's see what else they have. They have a few of these jars. I see a red one in the back. This one is filled with what looks like hearts. They look like they're all the same size, so if you need multiples of one thing, these are great for that. They have a lot of jars with white objects. This one over here is filled with bones. I think they also glow in the dark. That is really cool. This one has miniature ghosts, and then this one is filled with lots of different skulls, and I think the rest of them are just skulls. There's some cool objects on the shelves that you can decorate with miniatures. There's this case over here that you can make a spooky miniature display with all the miniatures that we saw earlier. There's this glass coffin that would be really cool too to fill up with some of these small objects. Going on to the lower shelves, there's this metal tray, but this could be neat to create a diorama or to make a miniature graveyard. Michaels also has some haunted miniature houses. This would be really cool to get a bunch of these and create a miniature haunted village out of all of them. It looks like they light up too. Here's one with some ghosts in the windows. I like this one. It's really cute. Walking through the aisles of their Halloween section, I also found some Halloween-themed lights. They have a lot of these miniature string lights. These would be so cute to decorate on the outside of your dollhouse or any miniature display. They have so many different kinds. This one has little ghosts on them. There are ones with pumpkins, spiders, and bats. There's some with even more spiders, little potion bottles. They got really creative with these this year. I think you do have to buy the batteries separate from them though. Wow, look at these potion bottles. These are really cool. These are over 5 feet long, so you do get a good distance with them. All right, moving on to the next section, they have these miniature Halloween houses to create an entire spooky Halloween village. Their spooky town houses and displays are currently 30% off. I like how they light up and have a lot of motion in them. And on the side, they have some miniatures to go with the Spooky Town displays to add some more detail to them. See that they have a packet of fake leaves, so you can add some cute fall details around the trees to make it look like all the leaves fell off the trees. And here are some scarecrows. This one is really funny. They have some skeletons in a wheelbarrow, so cute. And then on the other side, there's even more miniature houses for their Spooky Town display. I found even more miniatures as I kept walking through Michael's craft stores. These ones are fall themed, which I really like because then I can keep all of the decorations even after Halloween. I like decorating more for what I call Falloween. So I decorate with a lot of pumpkins and scarecrows so that I can keep everything all the way through November before I start decorating for Christmas. They place their miniatures behind this giant beam. Not a great place to put miniatures. You really have to kind of search behind this giant beam. But let's see, here's a really cute orange bicycle. It'd be cute to put some mini pumpkins in that front basket. They have a lot of very adorable little animals. These are so cute to decorate with for fall. There's a fall-themed fairy with sparkly wings. I like this tree with yellow leaves on it. Oh, and then here's a packet of pumpkins and gourds in many different colors. I'm going to grab one of those for sure. And here's a mini wheelbarrow to put all of the mini pumpkins. Here's some apples in a basket. And there's bales of hay. These ones are in a round shape. I haven't seen round ones sold in stores before. And some more cute animals. Even a pile of leaves with a rake. This one is really neat. I have not seen something like this sold in stores before. All of the fall themed miniatures are also 40% off, so you can get some really good deals on these right now. Here's a rusty looking fence. They have a white truck with pumpkins in the back of it. A pumpkin patch sign with some pumpkins at the bottom. Very cute. Ooh, I really like this orange table and chair set. Very cute for fall. There's another tree, but that one has orange leaves. Here's a packet of mini pumpkins. And there are some little pumpkin houses too. Moving on to the floral section, I found some really cool fall themed ribbon. I like using these to create some miniature dollhouse rugs or even tablecloth or placemats out of these. All you have to do is just trim them to a much smaller size. And there's some more on the other side. This one would be really cool to create a garland out of these. I'll probably grab this orange one as well as the red one. The ribbon is also on sale for 40% off, so instead of this being $10, they're only $6. I found another section with lights, but this one has all fall-themed lights, so lots of pumpkins and leaves and apples that light up. I really love all of these string lights. These ones are also on sale for 40% off, which is an amazing deal. And I also stopped by their miniature section. Sometimes you can find some fall-themed miniatures within this section too. They have mini hay bales and trees, as well as some mini mushrooms. You can grab one of these miniature displays at the bottom shelf and use it to decorate with some of the fall and Halloween miniatures. These are all of the Halloween and fall-themed dollhouse miniature items I found around Michael's. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys liked. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.